Ready, here's another one. What the jumbo?
You hear those people?
Oh, it's pretty. It doesn't last long.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, they're so pretty though.
That was pretty.
Dang, that sounds like gunshots.
I know, right?
Doggone. You hear that?
Uh,
Boom, boom. I wonder if Gordon's shooting any of his. I doubt it.
Probably because I hear some.
No, I doubt it. I thought he... Didn't he still have some of those?
How come I hear some?
That's probably the people across the street. There you go. What's that, 2 or 3 of them together? 2. That's pretty. I like that. It's all sparkly. Is that it? Except for the other 2 bags in there.